Very delighted to win the SmartTech Asia Award as a cybersecurity visionary of the year.
People come from diversified areas and the backgrounds of their particular work areas and the innovations that they make it.
Many startups are contributing to the change, not only in India but also on the global level.
Everyone is saying that blockchain is not future anymore, blockchain is present and it's happening.
I see a lot of convergence between digital innovation as well as applications of the same in warehousing, logistics and supply chain.
The various type of innovation, creativity which they are doing will have a various value proposition.
It's a reflection of the industry, of the financial services and the technology, innovation and inclusion.